Love working with plants and nature? Starting a gardening service in Malaysia could be your perfect business opportunity. With Malaysia's tropical climate, demand for gardening services is high all year round, from residential homes to commercial properties and landscaping projects. To get started, you'll need to define your services, whether it's lawn care, landscaping, plant maintenance, or garden design. Invest in quality tools and equipment to deliver professional results. Don't forget the paperwork. Register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, and secure any required local permits. Building a loyal client base is key. Offer customized packages, maintain clear communication, and always deliver on time. Promote your services through social media, Google Maps, and community boards to reach more customers. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today so that we can help you build your business. With passion, skills, and proper planning, your gardening service can bloom into a profitable venture.